everybody! We're going to do a little bit of a review of using Diigo bookmarking tool for bookmarking our findings for the research project to our Diigo groups. The first thing you'll need to do is go to ABCICT and join your research group. You may already have joined the group last year. You need to double check. If you've changed groups from A to E, for example, then you will have to then join your new group. Once you've done that, do a Google search for our topic. In this case, it's conquistadors. And this is a page that I found on the conquistadors. So I'm going to have a look around this page and see what's interesting on it. Let's look at Cortez. And this is information about Hernan Cortez. And there may be some information here which I think is perhaps very important for my project. This is an interesting bit of information. I'm going to select it. It's how his cavalry put on a show that was quite intimidating for the Aztec people. I'm going to select it, use my bookmarking tool. As you can see now, it's changed color. And when I hover over this text, I can also have other options come up, like adding a sticky note. Make a note to myself. I can share this with my group. I'll share this with 18. Notice that my sticky note now appears there and it's public, so anybody going to this web page can actually see my sticky note. I can add another note if I want to, which is private or public. I can trash my note or just post a new one. If you wanted a certain amount of text to appear, you could select it and bookmark it. Notice that the text is captured in the description section. You can mark it for read later or private if you prefer, but we're trying to share our information, so this is what we're going to do. Sometimes it will suggest tags for you to use. If not, you'll have to put your own in. And even if it does suggest them, you may want to put your own tags in. Etc. I'm going to add one more PBS and share this to our group. Now, other things that you can do with this is add your own text. So say you wanted to send a message to the group about this particular resource, and you would say perhaps something like, if you are working on a project about Cortez, this website tells his story very well. It has many useful links as well to other conquistadores. These are the tags that already exist within our group, and these are ones that I used last time. I'm going to now bookmark this to my group here. Close my annotations. And I'm going to visit the group now to see what's in it. So if I click on this link here to my library, notice that it's in my library. And if I go to my groups and I select the ones I just happened to bookmark to, you will see that it also appears here. And there's the link. I can add another comment to it if I like. I can have a link created for this, edit it, delete it, moderate it, send it to someone, disable the email alert if I don't want to receive an alert in my email. And that's the basic way of using Diigo that we're going to use it for, at least. And that's how we're going to be using Diigo for our research project this year on the conquistadores. Please remember to answer the questions in the form either during watching the time you... Please remember to answer the questions in the form either while you're watching the video or right after, in preparation for your next class. Have fun!